Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Hope you're all really well and thank you for all the super learning that you've been doing this week. So today, Wednesday, we're going to be learning all about Italy. So your math challenge and your afternoon challenge is all linked to beautiful Italy. Okay, but in your phonics, so we're going to be doing high frequency word bingo today. So make sure you do your review video because that's helping you remember all those sounds, isn't it? And then to play high frequency word bingo, there are packs of these online at twinkle.co.uk, which I know some of you have made an account for, but that might mean doing it on your computer or printing it off, which isn't always easy to do, but it's dead easy to make your own. So if you, mummies and daddies, if you Google phase 2 words, you should be able to get an image up with all the phase 2 high frequency words and tricky words, and there's about 30 to choose from. Okay, and then guys, what you need to do is you need to make yourself a 2x3 frame. So it's dead easy. You just draw like a big rectangle. It's a bit like when we do our 10 frames in school. Okay, and we're going to cut it in half and then split it into 3, like this. Okay, then you can choose some high frequency words. So you might remember some. You might remember your tricky words. I, to, no, go, the, and into. And you might remember some of those high frequency words that's on our review video. So I'm going to put my words in. I'm going to put I, an, as, to, of, and mum. Okay, that's what I've wrote in mine. Okay, and then you create one, and then the person that you're playing with creates one. Then what you do is you call off the high frequency words off the list that you've got. So it might be that a third person could do that to make it nice and fair. And then when you hear your word, you cross it off your box like this. Okay. Then when you've got crosses through all of your words, the first person to get crosses in every box gets to shout bingo! Okay, so you have to hear the word, find it on your grid, cross it off, and then shout bingo. So you are using so many skills for that game, aren't you? So I think you'll have lots of fun doing that. And it's a game that you can play often to try and remember those sounds. If you've got your sound box and your word box still at home, you could just select 6 of those out and then pop them away when you find your words. So loads of different ways that you can do that. So I hope you take that idea and make it your own and have fun doing that. Right, for Italy then, for your maths, I have put a picture of the Roman Colosseum. Okay, there are beautiful buildings in Rome because lots of the buildings there are really old and they have lots of history. So I've told you a little bit about the Roman Colosseum, but what's really special about it is that it's round. It's got curved edges. It's not very often we see a building with curved edges, is it? And it got me thinking about the shapes of the buildings round by me, the shapes of the building in our school and the houses and things like that. And I thought you guys might like to go for a walk, have a look at the shapes of the houses near you, or the shops, or the garages. Depends where you live, really, where you can go and have a little walk and have a little look with your family. See what shapes you can find and things. So have fun doing that, and you could let me know some of your findings. I wonder why we have square windows. I wonder why we have sloped roofs. Okay, so have a little think about why our buildings are that shape. Okay, and then Italy, they weren't the first country to ever eat pasta, but they do pasta really well. So they're quite famous for it now, especially their sauces and things that they put with it, okay? There are loads of different things that you can do with pasta at home, apart from just eating it. You can make pasta art, okay? So I've put some pictures of some pasta art on your learning pack for you to have a look at. Okay, and see if you can have a go at creating something out of pasta. You might not have pasta at home, and that's fine. If you don't want to do that, maybe you could make an Italian flag or do some other art that's related to Italy somehow. I'm sure your grown-ups will have lots of ideas. Okay, so have lots of fun, and I would love to see some of the learning that you do today. So have a brilliant day. Bye.